This complaint could delay Delaware's new gun permit requirements. Good evening. I'm Madeline Overturf.
And I'm Charlie Sakaitis. Welcome to our News at 6. Our top story tonight, Delaware's new gun permitting rules could be put on hold before they even take effect.
A law requiring permits for purchasing handguns is supposed to happen November 16, but gun rights groups statewide say it's unconstitutional and they're challenging it in court. Coast TV News reporter Brandon Ferguson live in Lewis. Brandon, those groups claim Delaware has failed to create the infrastructure needed to issue the permits.
Maddie, businesses like Best Shot, who sell guns and handguns, say they have seen a major increases in both handgun purchases and safety classes, but for the wrong reason. They too say the purchase to permit law is unconstitutional, but other people we spoke with say nowadays a purchase to permit law is needed. Delaware's new handgun law now under fire from groups like the Delaware Sportsman Association and the Bridgeville Rifle and Pistol Club.
So the law's got contradictions in it, and it's just not ready at this point.
The groups against the state claim Delaware failed to create the infrastructure needed to issue the permits. President of the Delaware Sportsman Association, Jeff Hagg, says the temporary restraining order filed isn't just with hopes of delaying the law by a few weeks.
That's to stop the implementation because the state's not ready, and they're doing things that are illegal under the existing statute.
Both the Delaware State Police and the Delaware Department of Safety and Homeland Security denied to comment on this story, citing the legal case. We spoke to a number of people off camera here in Lewis who say they would be for permitting anyone purchasing handguns here in the state of Delaware. In the case against the state, plaintiffs claim the portal to sign up for a permit was still inactive as of late October.
Our numbers are through the roof.
Jennifer Hagan is a co-owner of Best Shot, a gun store and range in Lewis. She says she can tell her customers are feeling the pressure from this law.
We've been incredibly busy based on everyone being a little worried that they now have to have a permit in order to purchase a handgun.
People who already have a valid Delaware concealed carry license are not required to apply for a separate handgun permit, according to the Delaware State Police. As of now, that November 16th date for Delaware's purchase to permit law is still going into effect, but next Thursday, a judge is reviewing the temporary restraining order that gun associations throughout the state have put against the state, and that judge could then delay when this law goes into effect. Live in Lewis, Brandon Ferguson, Coast TV News.
Right now in Delaware, if you want to buy a handgun, buyers must simply be legally eligible under federal and state law, meaning no felony convictions or other prohibiting factors, and they must purchase through a licensed firearms dealer and pass a background check.